Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
All right, see, boom, boom. We got double angle. Pshoo, 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 pshoo. I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
We gotta change the oil of
Bessie.
correct. He's not answering me.
correct.
Oh, correct.
That's
Okay, correct. Yes.
Easy money.
I need the oil pan, son.
I'm in awe.
Gotta change the oil of Bessie. She gon' get real mad.
Freaky become me today. He gon' be no groupie.
It's not going, bro. For real, for real.
Excuse me?
Wow. It's moving. It moved like. You know what I'm saying? Cause that little swoop-de-doop, you know about that, don't you?
That is false!
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Bro! My mustache is falling off.
You're a phony! Hey, everybody! This guy's a great big phony!
Now let's put the new film. Come on. Connect with me, baby. Connect. I think it's on.
That beard running off of 3 AAA batteries, Sal.
I gotta use my left hand, son. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, getting hot in here.
Put in the final.
I ain't gonna lie, slow break.
Come on, Bessie. Come here, sweetheart. Can you handle it? Can you handle it?
That's what she said.
I think she can. She a fighter. She a fighter for sure.
Mwah!
That's it. That's the video. Thank you for
Next
joining.
time.
Exactly what he said. Bye.